Hey everybody, so I'm back again, and today I'm just doing an unboxing. I'm not going to be doing a full review, but the phone I got is a Sony Xperia 10 Plus. I saw it at Best Buy and I thought it was a good deal, and it is a phone I'm thinking about using once I use it a little bit more. But as of right now, my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is still my daily driver, and this is just going to be my first unboxing for you guys. So there are two versions of this phone. There's a Sony Xperia 10 and the 10 Plus, the one I have. The only difference is the 10 has a 6-inch screen and this has a 6.5-inch screen, and they both use a LCD panel. So it's not OLED. You're not gonna get like the crazy vivid colors you get from Samsung or like anybody else uses OLED. But Sony still tries to do their best with what they have. So this is the box when you go and purchase the phone at Best Buy. When you go to Best Buy, they'll have little seals down here. Once you take it off, just heads up, when you go to Best Buy and you buy something like a phone, there's a $45 restocking fee. So don't forget that. All right, if you take it back. So we're gonna open this up. So okay, I already opened it, but let's just pretend this is the first time. So this is the phone right here. What you get in the box. I tried my best to put it back the way it was, but I can never get rid of these air bubbles no matter what. So it has two layers, I guess I want to say. So it has a plastic it's in. There's a little sleeve down here. You can just pull the phone out. And this is the phone here itself. So this isn't glass or anything like that. It's like a matte finish, which is good because it doesn't leave any fingerprints. Yeah, actually, it feels weird in my hand, but it's good for people who use their phones a lot and don't like fingerprints or don't like cases. All right, so on here, so this is the long screen version. It's a 6.5-inch screen. It says 12 and 8 megapixel camera, 2x optical zoom, and uses Snapdragon and has a 3000 milliamp hour battery inside of it. So I'm gonna put that to the side for now. Don't worry, I'll turn it on. Let's take a look at it real quick before I do that. So this is the phone. So I believe this is the power button, and this is the volume rocker. So Sony still doesn't have the fingerprint reader under the screen, so they do have it on the side here. So whenever you do decide to get a phone like this, you still have to use your thumb on the side, which I kind of prefer. Makes it a little bit faster, but I don't know, I feel like it'd be kind of inconvenient with the placement of these two other buttons. But once I do a full review, we'll get to that. All right, so let's see what's over here. So there's a slot on the side. Yep, so it's a SIM card slot. Focus. Well, yeah, it's a SIM card slot. And this just, I guess, to help you figure out how to put it in here. And then it has a slot for SD card. So if you have a micro SD card or want to purchase one, it does have extendable memory. So you can always go ahead and do that. So I'll put the SIM card and memory slot thing back in. All right, looks good. All right, so let's put that to the side. All right, so this is the box. Let's open it up. All right, so when you open it up, just has a bunch of manuals, charger cables, charging adapters right there. And yeah, just a bunch of startup guide, different languages. We all know we're not going to read this, so I'll put this to the side. But I'm pretty sure if you go to their website, they'll have something, or you can Google any issues you run into. And then it has a charger in here too. So it does use USB-C, just like almost every new phone now, which is great. which means if you do have a phone that uses USB-C, you can use that on this Sony phone at any time you want. Let me put that back in there. Alright, so I never really know how to describe the size to people when they first I guess get the phone. So I'm gonna try this. So this is the phone right here, and this is a standard size printing paper that you can get anywhere, even at your school. So let's see. So if we fold it into half, I'm gonna copyright this if it works. So if you fold this in half, see, fold it in half, and then let's fold it in half one more time. Alright, so I folded it twice, and just so you know what the size is, so didn't work out the way I thought it would. But anyways, so as you can see, it's about the size of this piece of paper. It's not that big. It's actually just really long. It's not that wide. For example, this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 right here, and if you put them side to side next to each other, the Sony Xperia is actually longer than my Samsung, but my Samsung is wider, and this does have bezels, so the screen is a little bit smaller than what it seems, unlike the Samsung phone, which goes all the way edge to edge. Alright, so we're gonna take the sticker off, and we're gonna turn it on. Alright, Sony. So usually the telltale signs of a LCD screen is if you just put it to the side like this during a black screen, you can see all the little LED lights in the back, or trying to illuminate the background so you can see the picture. Alright, so here's the start screen. And you know, I'll make another video where I'll go into it. I'll have everything set up. If you have any questions, put in the comment section below. I'll try my best to go over everything. And that's about it. Thank you.